This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Nancy Rasmussen. Welcome home to this beautifully updated and extremely well-maintained 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home. Nestled back on a generous 59-acre lot, this property provides the perfect blend of privacy and modern updates. Step inside to discover a bright and open floor plan with stylish finishes throughout. The main floor offers a gourmet kitchen featuring updated appliances, including a 6-burner Thermador double oven gas range, built-in refrigerator, dishwasher, and soapstone countertops with eat bar. Enjoy the convenience of a spacious main floor master bedroom suite west/walk-in closet and bathroom. Additional main floor features offer a living room west/gas fireplace, den/office, and family room overlooking the beautiful lush backyard plus a den/office. The upstairs offers an additional bedroom suite plus 2 more bedrooms, bathroom and a flex room west/built-ins. The spacious basement area is a bonus with a workshop area and storage. The large/private backyard with Trex decks and impeccable gardens is a highlight of the property. Located in the sought-after Candalaria neighborhood, this home offers both convenience and a serene retreat, close to parks, shopping and top-rated schools. Enjoy a private oasis with easy access to all that Salem has to offer. Whether you're looking to entertain, garden or simply enjoy the peaceful surroundings, you won't want to miss this home. For more information, review the